Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you step by step through the process of creating and managing a relation database using the MySQL command line and XMPP. Our goals is to create a new database with 3 tables, connect them with foreign key, and manipulate them by adding and deleting structures. So the first one is creating the database. In this step, we created a new database named laporan1_name. The database name may represent a specific task, report, or student ID. Once this command is executed successfully, we can start using this database to store and manage our data. The second is selecting the database. After the database is created, we need to select it using the use command. This tells MariaDB to set laporan1_name as the default database for the following command. Okay, the third is creating the mahasiswa tables. These table stores student information. ID mahasiswa is an integer and will act as the primary key. Nama is a string up to 100 characters representing the student's name. And jurusan is another string up to 50 characters representing the student's major. And then creating the mata kuliah table. This table stores information about courses. ID MK is the course ID. Nama MK is the course name. SKS represents the number of credits for the course. And then create KRS table. The KRS table represents the course registration system. Kartu Rencana Studi, ID KRS is the registration ID. ID mahasiswa and ID MK are foreign key keys pointing to the mahasiswa and mata kuliah tables. And semester indicates the semester when the course was taken. And then adding primary key. The first is alter table mahasiswa at primary key. Is alter table mata kuliah at primary key. And the third is alter table KS at primary key. A primary key uniquely identifies each row in a table. Here we define ID mahasiswa, ID MK, and ID KRS as primary key for their respective tables. And then adding foreign key constraints. alter table KRS at foreign key ID mahasiswa reference mahasiswa, and alter table KRS at foreign key ID MK references mata kuliah. The statements are at foreign key constraints. This means that any ID mahasiswa or ID MK value in the KRS table must already exist in the mahasiswa or mata kuliah tables. It enforces referential integrity, which ensures consistent relationship between tables. And describing tables as mahasiswa, the dash comment displays the structure of each table. It shows column names, data type, whether they allow null values, and the key information. Like this, dash mahasiswa, dash mata kuliah, and dash KRS. And then show tables. This comment lists all tables in the select database. Modifying table structure, alter tabel KRS, add keterangan varchar up to 255 characters. We added a new column named keterangan to the KRS table. This column can store up to 255 characters and may be used for additional remarks or notes about the registration. And then is handling foreign key errors when dropping tables. This is the error. And the solving the foreign key constraint issue. And then the last is dropping the database of mata kuliah table. Drop the mata kuliah table. Drop table mata kuliah after removing the foreign key. This command success and the table was deleted from the database. And the final is the tables in the database. Show tables. The remaining tables are mahasiswa and KRS. and and that and that And that concludes our walkthrough of creating and managing a simple relation database using MariaDB. We've successfully created database for students, courses, and course registration. We also applied primary and foreign key constraints to ensure the integrity of our data. Along the way, we modified our table structure and resolve issues related to foreign key constraints. This kind of structured approach is essential when designing real-world database system, especially in academic or enterprise environment. I hope this video has helped you understand not just the how, but also the why behind each comment. And thank you so much for watching. If and see you in the next tutorial or video. Thank you. Sudah ya. Videonya.